Good morning, guys. I'm Vasvi Priya from Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology. Today, in this lecture, I'm going to discuss about joint statement in DBMS, that is SQL. So, let's see. Let's see what is join. In general meaning, what is join? Join is nothing but combining something, right? To combine two things or two variables or two tables, whatever it may be. Joining means combining something, whereas coming to SQL, join means to combine two or more tables. Two or more tables are combined using join statements in SQL. Join statement is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the common fields between them. So based on the common column, means column 1 and column 2 both have the common field. Based on the common field, the SQL join statement is used to return the rows to the output. Uh, there are totally four types of join: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. Let's see first what is inner join. Inner join means it will select all the rows from both the tables as long as the condition is satisfied. That means here the table A must have a common column which is also present in table B. Now, all the rows which will satisfy the condition are which in all the rows which are present in both the tables are displayed to the output. That means this keyword is used to create the result set by combining all rows from both the tables. The rows which are present in both the tables within the common fields are written as the output. Syntax is we need to select column 1 from table 1, column 2 from table 1, column 1 from table 2, and so on from table 1, and it is inner join with table 2 on the condition table 1 dot matching column equal to table 2 dot matching column. Here table 1 is the first table and table 2 is the second table. So and the matching column is the column which is present in table 1 and as well as table 2. Here as I showed in the picture, the rows which are present in both the table A as well as table B, are returned to the output. Let's see a common example. A table is taken and the student course table is taken. Here the roll number column is present in both the student table as well as student course table. So the matched rows means in student table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are matched with the roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the student course table. So the output we get using inner join is the rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as they are present in both student table as well as student course table. So here I am using an example. I am going to display the course ID from student course table and the name from the student table and the age from the student table. So and it is inner joined with a student course based on a condition that student dot roll number should be equal to student course dot roll number. That means one first row roll number 1 is equal to the first row in the student course, that is roll number 1. So in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are written to the output because they are present in both the tables. And the corresponding course ID and the name and the age of roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given as the output here. Now, this is all about the inner join. Now let's see left join. Left join returns all the rows of the table on the left side of the join and matched rows for the table on the right side of the join. Here, the rows first the rows which are matched in table A and table B are written to the output, and the remaining rows which are not matched in the table A are also written and they contain the null values. That means for the rows which are not no has no matching row on the right side table, the the result set will contain null. The left join is also called as left outer join. That means all the rows of table A are returned to the output, and the rows which are matched uh, with the rows in the table B which are matched with the table A are only returned to the output. That is, we are here I am using the syntax. I am selecting the column 1 from table 1, column 2 from table 1, column 1 from table 2, and so on from table 1. It is left joined with table 2 on the condition that the matching column of table 1 should be equal to the matching column of table 2. Here the first table 1 is the first table 2 is the second table, and matching column is the column which is present in both the tables. Here as I shown in the here as I shown the table A is all the rows of table A are written, as well as the matched rows of table B are written to the output. Next, let me have a simple example. Here, the same example as the student and the student course tables, and the roll number as the common field. Here, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are matched with the right table. Hence, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corresponding name and course ID are returned to the output. Next, the remaining 6, 7, 8 of left table are also returned to the output by containing null values. Here as I shown, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corresponding course IDs and the names of the students are written to the output till up the game. Next 6, 7, 8. The Dhanraj, Rohit and Neeraj are also written from the left table because this is a left join, right? So all the rows of the left join are written to the output. Here is the example. I am selecting the name and course ID, name from student table and course ID from student course table, and it is left joined to student course based on a condition that student course dot roll number should be equal to student dot roll number. Mm, so first the roll numbers which are matched are written to the output, and the remaining rows of the left table are also written to the output with null values. With null Next, this is about the left join. It is also called as left outer join. Next, we shall see about right join. Right join is similar to left join. In this, it will return all the rows of the right table and matched rows of the left table. That means all the rows of the table B are written to the output, and the matched rows of table A are written to the output. If the table B rows which are not matched will also be written to the output by containing null values in the result set. Here is the syntax, that is, select column 1 from table 1, column 2 from table 1, and column 1 from table 2, and so on from table 1, and it is right joined with table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. Here table 1 is the first table 2 is the second table, and the matching column is the column which is common to both the tables. Here, the right join is also called as right outer join. That means in the right table, all the rows are written to the output, and in the left table, only the matched rows are displayed to the output. This is about the right join. Let's see the same example with the student table and student course table. Here, the roll number is the common field. Hence, first, the matched rows of left table, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are written to the output. Corresponding course ID and name of roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are displayed to the output, and the remaining roll numbers of the right table, that is student course, are 9, 10, 11. They are also displayed to the output with result set of null values. That is, here I am taking an example. We are selecting the name from student table, course ID from student course table, and it is right joined with the student course on the condition that student course dot roll number equal to student dot roll number. That is, first all the matched rows of left table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are written, and the remaining roll numbers 9, 10, 11 of the right table also displayed, and the result set contains the null values for 9, 10, 11. This is about the right join. Right join is also called as right outer join. And the last and final join is the full join. Full join creates the result set by combining results of both left table and right table. First, the matched rows of table A and table B are written to the output. Next, the remaining rows of table A which are not matched and the remaining rows of the table B which are not matched are also written to the output. That is, it will create a result set by combining all the results of both left join and right join. Here, the result set will contain all the rows from both the tables. If there is no matching of the rows, then the result set will contain null values. Um, Here is the syntax. I am selecting the column 1 from table 1, column 2 from table 1, and column 1 from table 2 from table 1, and it is full join with table 2. On table 1 dot matching column equal to table 2 dot matching column. Here table 1 is the first table and table 2 used in the syntax is second table, and the matched column is the column which is common to both the tables. First, the matched rows from both the tables are displayed to the output. Next, are displayed along with the non-matched rows of table A as well as table B are also displayed to the output. Here is the same example as I shown before. That is student table and student course table with the common column roll number. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are matched roll numbers. Hence they are written to the output. Next next student table, the non-matched rows are 6, 7, 8. Hence 6, 7, 8 are all 6, 7, 8 are also written, and the result set contains the null values. Hence here next from the right table 9, 10, 11 are also not matched. There will also be displayed to the output with the result set containing null values. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are matched. They will be written. Next from the student table 6, 7, 8 which are not matched. They will also be displayed with the null values, and 9, 10, 11 are also are also non-matched from student course. They will also be displayed to the output. Hence here the student from the student table the name, and from the student course the course id columns are displayed to the output. It is full join with student course. On student course dot roll number equal to student dot roll number. Here is the output. First, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the matched rows, right? Their corresponding course ID and name are being displayed. Next, 6, 7, 8 corresponding Dhanraj, Rohit, and Neeraj are displayed. Dhanraj, Rohit, and Neeraj with the corresponding course ID null. And next, here 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. In 9, 10, 11 also not matched, right? They will be displayed with the corresponding course ID, but the name is null for the three rows. This is how the full join statement works out in SQL. The full join is the combination of both left join as well as right join. Full join is also called as full outer join. Um, Here, this is the example of for all the inner join, outer joins, inner join, left join, right join, and full join. This I hope you understood this lecture. Thank you.